The default search engine on your iPhone when you use Safari is Google. So if I were to tap up here into the search bar, where you can also type addresses for websites, and just type in a search term, I'll type in soccer, we see that Google is the default search engine. That can be changed. In this video, I'll show you how. We're going to change it to DuckDuckGo, which, believe it or not, is a fairly popular search engine. It's called DuckDuckGo. To get to the place where we change it, we go into the settings. On the main settings page, scroll all the way down, tap on apps, and then tap on the S on the right-hand side, tap on Safari. Here we see search engine as one of the options. Tap on that, change it to DuckDuckGo. Go back out here. Don't tap in here to search. Do a new search with the search bar at the top and type in something else. Or it can be the same search. Doesn't have to be something else. Search for football, and DuckDuckGo is now the default search engine that we use. And if you find that your phone has been slowing down lately, it could be because it has malware or a virus on it. This video will help you identify whether there is malware or a virus and how to fix it. So make sure you check out that video. If you got value from the video you just watched, like and subscribe to let me know, and I'll see you on this one.